Now let's find the Laplace transform of e power minus a mod t. E power minus a into modulus of t. So when we consider the modulus of t, and when t is less than 0, that means for negative values of t, modulus of t equal to minus t, and for positive values of t, we know that modulus of t equal to plus t. Okay. So അതെന്തുകൊണ്ടാണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ when we consider if you consider the modulus of minus 5, that is equal to plus 5 ആണ്. Then how do you get plus 5? So minus of minus 5, it is equal to plus 5. So that is why when t is negative ആകുമ്പോൾ, if you want to find the modulus, then we have to apply a negative sign to it. So minus of t ആണ് for negative values of t. Positive values of t, the modulus of t is nothing but plus t. So here limit of integration is in fact from minus infinity മുതൽ plus infinity വരെയാണ്. So we are considering the bilateral Laplace transform. So in the case of bilateral Laplace transform, we can see for negative values of t, that means here from minus infinity to 0, e power minus a modulus of t is here minus t. Then അടുത്തത് e power minus st dt. Then for positive values of t, that means integral 0 to infinity. So this section represents the positive values of t. In fact, the integration minus infinity to plus infinity. So ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് രണ്ടായിട്ട് സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. Minus infinity to 0 വരെ ഒരു സെക്ഷൻ പ്ലസ് integral 0 to plus infinity. So minus infinity to 0 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? That is the negative values of t. 0 to infinity എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ positive values of t. So ഈ രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതാം. So if it is like that, so there are two sections, e power minus a into minus t, that is equal to e power at minus st. So അതിനകത്ത് നിന്നും നമ്മൾ t പുറത്തെടുക്കുന്നു, e power a minus s into t. So this section is in fact e power at. So minus into minus, that becomes positive. So you can see e power at into e power minus st. This one. So that is equal to e power t a minus s. So or minus a minus s into t. Okay. Second part എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ minus t പുറത്തെടുക്കുക, a plus s. Okay. So minus t നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് പുറത്തെടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മൈനസും t പുറത്തെടുത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ what comes a plus s. So minus of a plus s into t. So നമ്മളതിനെ integrate ചെയ്യുന്നു. So we are applying the upper limit and lower limit. Already we have seen a lot of problems of this form. So I want to say to you that let us apply the upper limit and lower limit. You can see it here. So 0 നമ്മൾ apply ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേനും e power 0 which is equal to 1. Minus infinity apply ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ a minus s into minus infinity. A minus s into minus infinity. A minus s എന്നത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ that becomes minus infinity. Okay. X into say minus infinity. So x ന്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്നത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ this is nothing but minus infinity. Whereas x negative ആണെങ്കിൽ minus that will become plus infinity എന്നാവും. So we have to consider this a minus s എന്നുള്ളത് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കണം. Means when in order to find out the region of convergence. Okay. Region of convergence in the case വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും a minus s should be positive. There is a real part of a minus s should be greater than 0. So that means real part of a should be greater than real part of s. Okay. Real part of a minus real part of s. That means real part of a should be greater than real part of plus s. Okay. Real part of a is nothing but a. A should be greater than real part of s, or real part of s should be less than a. So that is the region of convergence. Real part of S should be less than A. A is in fact a positive integer value. Same way, second section നമ്മൾ integrate ചെയ്യുക. അവിടുത്തെ region of convergence we can see here, this term should be A plus S എന്നുള്ള ഈ term positive ആയിരിക്കണം. So real part of S plus S should be greater than 0, means the real part of S should be greater than minus A. So here the first section, real part of S is less than A, real part of S is greater than minus A. So നമ്മളത് ലിമിറ്റുകൾ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു, അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ അതിനെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു. So finally we are getting an answer as minus of 2a divided by s square minus a square. So here a square minus a square എന്നാണ്. So അതിന് നമ്മൾ minus of s square minus a square എന്നാണ്. So there is a negative sign in the numerator here. So this is the result and this is the region of convergence. Real part of s greater than minus a. So this is minus a and real part of s is less than plus a. So in the s plane in between minus a and plus a. So that is the region of convergence here in this case. That's all about it. Thank you.